This is what you'll need to make Pommes Anna. You'll need 3 Idaho potatoes, some thyme, butter, about 4 tablespoons, olive oil, about 2 ounces. So to make Pommes Anna, you need to start by cutting your potatoes very thin. We don't want paper thin potatoes. We do want to get them as thin as we can cut by hand. If you have a mandolin, you can cut potatoes that are all going to be even thickness, and that makes this way easier. If you don't, it's okay. Just be patient. So to start, we're going to take about a 6 to 8 inch pan. If you do a larger pan, it's just harder to flip. And we're going to take our butter, about 2 tablespoons, and melt it in the pan. Once all of the butter is melted and a little bit bubbly, we're going to start layering our potatoes in a ring. I started from the middle. You can start from the outside, come in. Once your first potato is down, you want to season with salt and pepper and add some of that thyme. At this point, we're going to drizzle on some of the olive oil, or you can throw on a pat of butter if you like. And we're going to bring this to the stove and put this on a medium heat. While that's cooking on the bottom, we're going to start to layer our other potatoes. So with your other potatoes layering, you're going to start that process over. Salt and pepper, thyme, and then some oil or another pat of butter. And if you were doing more potatoes, you would keep adding the layers. Once you have the oil added, you're going to cover it to help steam the potatoes. That's going to help the starches stick together. Once you steam this for maybe 2 or so minutes, you're going to take the lid off and you're going to shake the pan to try to get the whole potato to move. So hopefully everything is now stuck together, and it's going to take some muscling. You really got to shake that pan. So as you can see, my potato is moving as one whole potato. Once I have this like this and I start to smell kind of toasty, potatoy chip smells, I know that the bottom is crispy. So at this point, I'm going to take my spatula and I'm going to flip the entire Pommes Anna. At this point, I'll fix any pieces that have come loose and I'll stick them back together. Now to check to see if your potatoes are done, you're going to want to poke them with a cake tester or a toothpick. And what you're going to do is feel through the potatoes to see if you feel the layers. If you still feel layers, the potatoes still need to cook. If you don't, then you're good to go. And if you do want to try to toss this and flip it without a spatula, you can do it. It might just make a mess.